Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for a data-driven career in forecasting and workforce management? Then this opportunity is for you. Concentrix, which is a global leader in technology and customer engagement solutions, is hiring for the role of analyst forecasting in Bangalore. We post three job updates daily on this particular channel to help you stay ahead in your career. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an opportunity. So also you are interested if you are interested in learning data analytics in depth, don't forget to check out our other channel Forge Tech where we are offering a complete free courses on SQL, Python, Power BI with real world projects. Now let's dive into the job details. Concentrix is basically a technology-driven global business service company that partners with top brands worldwide. They are currently hiring for the role of analyst forecasting at their Bangalore, India office. So here are the key details of the job. Like position as you can see is of an analyst in forecasting, and Job is full time. It's not a part time job. It's a full time job, and it's based out of Bangalore. And required skills that anybody with graduate degree can apply. And experience requirement is 0.6 to 2 years. 0.6 to 2 years. Even if you have a good internship experience, you are eligible for this particular role. For last date to apply, they have not mentioned, so apply as soon as possible. And apply link I will be sharing the description. Do check it out. But before that, let's discuss all the key responsibilities for this particular role. So as you can see over here, they have mentioned the key responsibilities. It will be like being the main point of contact for forecasting and budget planning, and you will be updating forecast with monthly, weekly actual data and improving predictions using the trend analysis, and you'll also be involved into generating short-term forecasts while incorporating business impacts. Not just that, you'll also be involved into refining and capturing data for forecasting model. Also, you would be creating and developing forecasting scenarios to improve accuracy. Along with that, you'll also be involved into analyzing huge data sets for accurate contact volume and AST forecasting. Plus, you'll be maintaining process designated documentations and improving forecasting methodologies. So this is all going to be your kind of roles and responsibilities if you join Concentrix as analyst. So this role requires strong analytical skills, with especially with business acumen, to enhance workforce planning and decision making. And skills required for this particular role is as you can see over here. So our technical skills will be something like mathematical and statistical or modeling knowledge, for example R or Python. Plus you should have knowledge in machine learning models like classification algorithm, classification model, like linear, logistic, all this kind of. Plus you should also have the knowledge of advanced Excel, Power BI, data analysis, visualizations using Python as well. Like some tools are there, right? Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly. So many are there, Sklearn and all. So also you should be good with SQL, data extraction and analysis, and you must have the understanding of workforce management, that WFM, and time series forecasting as well. The soft skills required for this role is going to be something like strong analytical and problem solving skill with very good communication skill, both written and verbal, and also the experience to handle large data sets and ability to refine forecasting scenarios and develop better models. This role is ideal for someone with zero point 0.6 to 2 years of experience in BPO or contact center or data analytics role. But freshers with strong analytical skill can also apply, as they have mentioned. And but before we wrap up, let's talk a little bit about the Concentrix. Concentrix is basically a global leader in customer engagement and business services. They operate in 70 plus countries worldwide, partnering with top brands to improve their business using AI technology and data analytics. A workplace committed to career growth and innovations. So, if you're looking for a dynamic and tech-driven work environment, Concentrix is the perfect place for you. And how you can apply, so the link for the same I will be mentioning in the description. You will get a direct link there, and just click on the link and apply as soon as possible. So hurry up and grab this opportunity before it's gone or before it's too late. So, and that's all for today's job updates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video if you're applying, share it with your friends who might be interested, and comment below if you have any questions related to our job applications, and we would be happy to help. Subscribe to this channel for 3 daily job updates that we bring to this particular YouTube channel. And also we make sure you never miss any opportunity from our end. Also, if you are serious about building a career in data analytics, subscribe to Fostic. We are doing a free in-depth data analytics series covering SQL, Python, Power BI with hands-on real-world projects. So never miss that opportunity. Subscribe to that channel as well, and stay connected for more exciting job opportunity and career insights. See you in the next one. Happy job hunt.